Happy Tulip Tuesday. This is the day we share timely tips for the tulip bunch. Today, talking about barrels of Ireland. They're so fabulous with that mint green hue, but they often come in curled, angled, and some people don't like that. Some designs it works well, but if you're looking for straight, the easiest way is to take them, line them all up, then using a bit of craft paper, wrap them. Don't do this using the plastic they come in because they'll mold, create a problem. Use the craft paper, roll it up, and then tape it, secure it in place. Then give it a fresh cut on the bottom, and then set them into a vase with fresh water pre-mixed with flower food and let them sit overnight. When you unwrap them, you'll have perfectly straight bells of Ireland. You can use the same tip for snapdragons, delphinium, all your line flowers when you want them straight. Now you know how the pros do it.